JWEI brand was established in 1993. It's from my hometown. It was a software company. At that time, it is the first and only shoe-CAD software company in China. Now we recognize as a high-tech enterprises in integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, service, or intelligent cutting system. Technological innovation drives the development of the company. In the past 30 years of entrepreneurship, we have immersed ourselves in innovation and R&D. With every small steps of technological progress that push our JWEI forward to the next level. We have a good reputation for very strict quality control system. Our products used widely across global varied customer base, including packaging, graphics and size, composite, textile, labels, printing, and shoes, etc. Our sales and service network covers more than 120 countries and regions. We serve more than 30,000 customers worldwide. We follow a goal of green manufacturing, clean production, and circular economy.
Our mission is to create better life by intelligent manufacturing, and our vision is to be the leading provider of automation based on digital cutting and AI technology. And the fourth core value of JWEI is all-win. So we need to delight our customers, and also we need to have our employees satisfied, to have our partners happy, and also to have shareholders happy with us.
We have more than 300 employees from 20 cities in China. We provide accommodation, reading room, gym, canteen, and parking, and the garden. So we just like big family. We work and live together.